Kendria with Mann Lake again. We're going to be going over your February Central U.S. bee buzz. So this winter season has been a little out of the norm for Central U.S. as we have been struggling a lot more with a lot of snow and ice in our region. It is early on and there's still more to come. So in some extreme cases, I do tend to wrap my hive. My favorite is the Easy On hive cover because it's easily to put on and easily to take off in those fluctuating temperatures as needed. The Easy On hive cover is really easy to install. It just simply wraps around the hive and Velcros down itself. You want to make sure that entrance is completely unblocked once it's fully installed. Sometimes that includes having to raise it up just a slight bit. With the hive cover on, it is going to be a lot more moisture contained within the hive. So swapping out those moisture boards is very important. So with those fluctuating temperatures, as I stated before, you are going to be able to take these off really easily. If it's above temperatures, probably above 50 and sunny, and going to stay that way for an extended period of time, you're going to want to go ahead and remove this. And again, that Velcro makes these really nice for you reusing them over and over again. And they're easily stored flat that way. All this speak and talk of winter has me ready for some springtime. I don't know about you all, but I always like to have some extra bottom boards, outer covers, inner covers, and boxes and frames on hand for those growing apiaries. I absolutely love our new wax dip boxes that are now on sale. Also, it's a good thing to be able to go ahead and get on order those feeds that you're going to need for coming out of the winter. Those hungry hives are going to have to be fed. I myself use a top feeder. I run a liquid on one side and a dry on the other. I just simply fill it up to its max capacity, and as it empties, I kind of scrape it over into the screen of that top feeder. There's always alternate ways to be able to feed. The dry just tends to be one of my favorites. But you can also use sugar cakes and patties, of course. You just want some kind of pollen substitute for that hive that's going to initiate that queen to start laying early on. We also offer an abundance of different types of feeders that you can use. Not only the top feeder, of course, we have the entrance feeders, which are installed in the entrance of the hive. We also carry that pro feeder, which takes the place of one of the frames within the hive. So winter loss does tend to happen, and of course all of us have experienced that, including myself. So you're gonna wanna get those package bees ordered or nukes on order. If you're one of the lucky ones that you have a strong hive coming out of the winter into that springtime, it may be influential for you to be able to split that, which you may want to go ahead and get those queens on order now so that you'll have those for early spring. I hope you've enjoyed this content. I hope you find it educational for you for this upcoming spring. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue these videos for you, and follow us back again in March for our next Bee Buzz. Thank you.